I think that this team just has a lot of noise surrounding them, and it's not affecting us. You know, we have such a tight bond, these 23 players. We've been here before, and we know how it goes, and we know that people like to make stuff out of nothing. So I was just sipping the tea. 2011 was the most devastating loss that I've ever had in my entire career. It was heartbreaking. So obviously to bounce back in 2015 and to know that we have one more opportunity this time around, it's pretty incredible. This team has showed so much heart through the tournament. We didn't take the easy route, so we're here to finish it off.
No lo olvides, hay muchos más videos en nuestro canal de YouTube de Telemundo Deportes. Suscríbete aquí.